had to come show y'all how nicely wrapped I am today. And it's crazy because today I'm in a rush. I did this in like 2 minutes, okay? Because I'm trying to... It is 7:54. I'm supposed to be out there at 7:30. No later. I still see a little pudge, but we're getting it together. Okay. This feels secure. This gonna get the job done. So I'll see y'all after my 2 miles. Let's get it. October grind. And as you all know, tell a friend to tell a friend. And y'all all join in. October grind, because October is mine, y'all. We getting it. We getting this belly. We getting this body. We getting this money. Let's go. Okay, so I've already started making my sea moss smoothie. Just gonna continue to add in my ingredients. And then I'm gonna blend this and package it up. Put it in a jar, put my labels on, and get it ready to be shipped out. Everything I use is natural. Everything. I say this sea moss thing is about maybe 30 calories. Maybe 30 calories. Honey got calories? Yeah. I'm trying to portion on the portions I put in here. Everything is a small amount. Everything is natural. Everything is great. So 30 is, I come back once I've added all my ingredients and I'm pouring it in the bowl. I can't just tell y'all what's all in here. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of this. So for my pineapple, I use natural sea moss. For my strawberry smoothie, I use strawberry sea moss, which would be this one. And basically for the color, because I can use this one for my strawberry as well, but why not use strawberry sea moss, you know? All right. Okay, so I've mixed all my ingredients. I'm pouring it in a jar. This one is a little more loose than my strawberry, only because my strawberries were frozen and my pineapples were fresh. But there's nothing a little freezer won't fix. Just clean around my tops because I like the clean, sleek look. And I do boil my jaws, boil my tops before I use them. Make sure there isn't any wet water trapped in between the tops because it will cause it to rust. And that's it, that's all. I'm gonna freeze it for about an hour. Take it to my customers and make my cake. So here it is. Here's my pineapple. Here's my strawberry. Baby, yes. Y'all will hop on once y'all see all the celebrities on it. This one is already like thickening. Yeah. And you do just shake it well before you drink it so you can mix all the ingredients. And there you have it. Strawberry pineapple sea moss smoothies. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so this is just me packing up my sea moss. This is just something I do to make it look cute. The idea was to have orange bags and orange confetti. I didn't see none, you know, due to it being Halloween. So we're just gonna get 2 bags. Put a little confetti at the bottom. And y'all see we make these earlier. They're fresh. We got pineapple, we got strawberry. We're gonna place that in there. We're gonna place that in there. Just a little bit on top. A little razzle-affection. They come with these things. So baby, I'm gonna just twist it.
Mom, can I have this?
No, I need those.
For what?
For my business. phone is that on?
Mine.
And here we go. Okay.
Mom, who you giving that to?
We are at the doctor. It's pretty empty, which is cool. Should be easy, quick lessons. And I ain't gonna tell you how I overbooked. I booked an appointment for 11. An appointment for 10:45. Huh? No, I booked the appointment for 10:45 and I booked the parent conference for 11. The appointment is in Dallas. The parent conference is in Turtle. No way. So, the teacher's gonna call me. Things happen. I'm just a busy lady.